Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to find reposts on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the profile. This type of screen will appear. Now click on the videos that you have posted. Your posted videos will appear here and you can see all the videos that you have posted on your account. Now you can see which videos are posted 2 times and you have reposted mistakenly. Then select that video here and click on the three point dots and scroll this bar. Click on the delete. Your reposted video will be deleted from here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.